Re-entry of a home. Can we do it? What are the legal considerations? Hi everyone, this is Chris McFarland, attorney and legal instructor with Blue to Gold Law Enforcement Training. That was the question posed to me by an officer in Texas. While investigating a crime, he understood that there was evidence of that crime remaining inside the home. The home itself is where the crime had occurred, so can we now make re-entry into that home to continue gathering evidence and processing the crime scene? When we consider the concept of re-entry, the courts have historically looked at two particular factors that they're going to analyze and want to see from the officer to determine whether the re-entry of that home and any subsequent evidence that was obtained afterwards is going to be legal or whether there's going to be suppression issues. First and foremost, the courts are going to look at necessity. Can an officer articulate that it was necessary to re-enter the home? Secondly, the courts are going to look at the time factor, meaning that your re-entry needs to be continuous with your initial entry. It needs to be so close in time to demonstrate that it was a continuation of your initial entry. Now, factors being what they may, if it was not feasible for you to re-enter the home during a time that was so close to the initial entry, you're going to have to justify and articulate for the court that there were factors that were preventing you from being able to enter the home in a continuous manner and do the search at that point. If an officer can't demonstrate that their re-entry was continuous and it was necessary, you're probably going to have some issues with the re-entry. At the end of the day, if you have time and factors are such that you can seize a home and obtain a warrant before going back in to continue the processing of it for a crime scene, that's going to be my advice for you. But if the factors don't allow that, you're going to have to demonstrate that one, it was necessary for you to re-enter the home, and two, that your entering the home was essentially a continuation of your initial entry. I hope you found that information useful. I look forward to seeing you next time. Please check out our YouTube channel where we post more videos like this answering your legal questions.